Welcome! Today we'll explore how to view high-quality videos on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to begin enhancing your video viewing experience. Step 2. Tap on the three-line menu icon located in the upper right corner of the app to access additional features and settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Further scroll down to Find Media and tap on it to access media settings within the Facebook app. Step 5. Look for the option Optimized and mark it to adjust videos based on network conditions, ensuring you view high-quality videos on Facebook. By following these steps, you can optimize your video viewing experience on Facebook to enjoy high-quality videos tailored to your network conditions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enhance your video quality settings on Facebook. Implement these steps to elevate your video viewing experience on the platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides and tutorials. Stay informed about maximizing your social media interactions and video viewing on Facebook.